we have received devatas, the Mosam and the Prakriti and Bhumi, so many debts we have to pay back. So rishis and sages, they give us the paravidya. So we have to follow brahmacharya. The boy has to follow brahmacharya. Brahmacharya, strict brahmacharya. Yagyavalkya has 8 rules for brahmacharya. 8 rules. Strine Nedeki, Strine Shunye, Strine Swapne, Strine Icha, many things. 8 rules. So we pay back rishis by this 4 ashrams. 4 ashrams. Everyone has to follow brahmacharya, and then mostly go to grihastha ashram. By following brahmacharya, that's one point. Paying back debt to the sages, rishis. And second way is Shastra Swadhyaya. Shastra Swadhyaya. You have to follow brahmacharya and you have to study Bhagavad Pat, Gita Pat, or the Brahma Sutras, or Vedanta Sutra, the Mahavakya, Om Tat Sat, Tat Tvamasi, Soham, Aham Brahmasmi. You have to study your line. Study the Shastra. Follow brahmacharya. And then the devas, the rishis, all the great munis, and Bhagavan, Adiguru, Bhagavan, Narayan, everyone becomes happy. Blesses them. Because this is their gift. So Vyasadeva has given us all these books, and then acharyas have given more books and gurus, more commentaries. And so our duty is to study the books, read the books. Before we heard the Shruti, then we follow the Shiksha. And now we can't hear properly, so we have to study. Rose. This is the way to worship Vyasadeva. Vyasadeva, Vyasa Puja, Guru Puja, whatever, is not one day. It's a life. There's no greater compassion. There's no greater compassion, karuna or anugrah, than someone who gives you the way to conquer death. Someone tells you the secret how to conquer death. Janma mrityu jara vyadi dukkha doshano darshanam. No one can tell you how to conquer death. No science, astroscience, psychiatry, psychology, genetics, so many complicated, sophisticated so-called science. But the science of mukti, that is with Vyasadeva. No one wants to die. Everyone wants happiness. Everyone wants 2 things: eternal life and happiness. This is the gift of Vyasadeva. You have to think deeply. What is Vyasadeva? Oh, Vyasadeva compiled the Vedic literature. He wrote the 4 Vedas, and then he made in the Upanishads and Vedanta Sutra and Puranas. And no, the real point is, he by this paravidya, by this knowledge, one can get 2 things. Anand. Like in Advaitin sannyasis. Every Advaitin sannyasi, his name is so-and-so, Anand. Buddha Anand. Why? Because you follow Gyan Marg, you become Anand. Become blissful. This is Yog. Yog means Anand. Karma Yoga is Swarga Sukh, Indriya Sukh. A type of Anand. More very small. Paltry. Anu. Atomic happiness. Indriya Sukh. Karma Yoga.